What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys these different tools you probably didn't even know about, especially if you are a new seller in 2019. But these tools are going to be very essential to your success, and also they're going to be ways to save money for you guys that are out there that are on a budget. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first tool that we're going to talk about is ManyChat. So a lot of people probably don't even know about this, but this is a very useful tool when it comes to doing your product launches, or when you just simply want to stay intact with your customers, or it's kind of like a email autoresponder, but it's for Facebook, and it's for Facebook ads. So if you're that type of person that knows a decent amount of Facebook ads and can run them for your product, this is going to be an amazing tool, because literally people, all they have to do is click on your ad and they automatically be subscribed to your list. So the reason that we want lists when we're on Amazon is because we want to create a good like a big audience. Having an email list is great and all, but hey, it's 2019. Not a lot of people looking at their emails anymore. So we want to have another type of tool that is similar to that's going to have a much larger open rate. So if you think about it, Facebook ads, I believe the data was collected and they said that Facebook has a what was it? It was like anywhere from 50 to 90% open rate when it comes to Facebook Messenger. So that's exactly what this is. It's not an email autoresponder, but it's a Facebook Messenger autoresponder. And this is going to be something that's going to be very, very useful. Now, this isn't the type of thing that's going to, like, when somebody purchases your product on Amazon, people aren't automatically going to get a message on Facebook. The way it works, like I said, is if they click on your ad, and then you can send them a message automatically. So let me go ahead and stop talking. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what I mean here. So all right. So what we're going to do, you guys, I highly suggest that you guys get the paid version of this. This is just a dummy account that I created, but you guys should get the paid version. It's amazing. It's a $10 per month subscription. So all you guys have to do is go to Growth Tools. And if you guys are trying to launch your product on a budget, literally you can launch your product on here for less than $25 if you have good targeting skills on Facebook. As long as you narrow down your audiences, and you're relatively decent. You don't even have to be really, really good at Facebook ads. Like I used to do affiliate marketing, and I did Facebook ads for a little bit, for around 6 months, and honestly, you can just watch a couple videos online, or I can show you guys, but it's very simple to use. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you. So you want to go ahead and click on New Growth Tool. And so yeah, if you guys are completely new to Amazon, and when you launch a product, you want to have all these different coupon codes if you're deciding to do it this way. But once you get these coupon codes off your Amazon Seller Central account, you then can take those and give them out to specific people and target certain audiences on Facebook, and give these codes to them in order to rank your product on Amazon. So if you guys do not know, the way the Amazon algorithm works when you're trying to launch your product is once you get a sale, that counts towards your towards your product ranking. So the more sales you get, the higher your product is going to rank. So if you're going to be able to match, if you want to match your competitors and be on the first page, you're going to have to do the same, if not more, sales that competitor has on that first page in order to stick next to them, or in order to get above them, right? So that's exactly how launches work, and that's why we have to do them in order to make profit, in order for people to see our product on Amazon. So all right, and then so the thing is once we use this tool, we want to go to Facebook ads JSON. So alright, so the thing is, when you use this, it's going to be so useful, because people are literally, they're going to be opening up your messenger, your message that you send them. Like, it's very, like, the open rate is crazy. So that's something that we really need, especially in 2019. That's going to be an alternative to email autoresponder. So let's say down the future you're trying to build your brand and stuff. You honestly, well, this is, I think this is the free version, so I wouldn't be able to exactly try out these ad tools, but this is going to be an essential tool because down in the future, let's say you're trying to grow your Amazon business and scale it up. It's going to be much easier to get people through the Facebook ads on your subscription list. So it's going to be much easier because they're going to be the ones that are going to be opening it up much more often. They're going to be the ones that are going to be converting much more often because simply because just the open rate's much higher, and that's something that I believe it's very, very essential for this. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to show you guys here what I mean by this, but this is very cool because you can literally modify this however you guys want. So let's see, how did I do this before? Um, So yeah, it's just like this. So you see this right here, guys. This is exactly how it looks on Facebook. So you can create your own message here. So and then there's a whole process with this. Like literally, it's not as simple as this, of course. But what you guys have to do if you want to use the coupon codes, you would have to get a Zapier account, which is basically going to connect your coupon code. You take your coupon codes, you can copy, or not your coupon codes. You basically you're going to use that to connect ManyChat and Google Sheets. And Google Sheets is going to be where your coupon codes are going to be at, and you got to copy and paste them from your Amazon Seller Central account onto Google Sheets, and then connect that with Zapier and connect that with ManyChat. And the way that it works is every single time somebody clicks on your ad, they're like, hey, you're like, hey, I don't know, you're going to be like, hey, we saw that you were interested in a 95% off coupon, and bam. So from there, people are going to click on your ad. You remember the headline is going to be like something 95% off coupon code for this product today only, and that today only is something that like helped me a lot for my conversion rate. So you just have to say something like that, and once they click on it, especially if you have really good targeting and your product is very niche specific, like maybe a beauty product, it's very, very easy to get those coupon code conversions with if your product's in a beauty niche. But once they click on it, they automatically will get sent this message like this is the autoresponder, and then from there, once you have the Zapier and the Google Sheets and all your coupon codes set up, it'll automatically send them a random coupon code and make sure it's not it's going to, once you set it up right, it's going to make sure it's not sending them the same exact ones over and over again, and then from there they're going to get that. So the main reason that we really just want to use this tool, especially it's going to help you guys that are on a budget. Now, of course, this doesn't take into account the actual FBA fees. You do have to account for those as well. So every time you get a product sale or if somebody buys a coupon code, you do have to remember the FBA fees that you have to pay for Amazon to send the product out. So yeah, that's just something that you guys got to keep in mind. And yeah, this is an amazing tool. If you guys don't want to spend, anywhere from $200 to $500 on a product launch service, this is something that is very, very useful. So you guys should definitely check this out. And like I said, it's only $10 a month for a pro account, which is all you need. So let's go on to the next thing, which is Jungle Market. So if you guys have you guys probably have not have heard of this. Like literally, if you're a new seller, this is something that's relatively really new. So one thing that a lot of people have trouble with, especially that for people that are new sellers in 2019, is that they don't know where to start when it comes to pictures or doing their product listings or finding the right suppliers, doing their product descriptions or bullet points, or simply just finding a good product to start in general. And this is something that is going to be very, very game changing for this upcoming year. And it's really down on the low key. However, I think that you guys should use this tool because it's very similar to Fiverr. If you guys don't know, that's an outsourcing website. You literally pay people to do stuff for you, and this is specifically for Amazon, which is absolutely amazing. I've already used this many different times. And I've had a decent amount of experiences. Some of the things I purchased on here weren't as good as I expected. However, for the most part, I'd say I'd probably give this a 8.5 out of 10. That's what I'd give as far as the rating for the full site. But that is good enough for me, and probably good enough for some sellers, for you guys out here. Especially, if I wouldn't try to do everything on here. Like, don't try and pay everybody to do everything on this website. Just pay them to do stuff that you aren't really familiar with, or something that, because really you should be using this tool as something that that'll help you get over that learning curve, or something that's going to help you not make the mistakes that a lot of other new sellers will be making, because they simply just did not know how to use the stuff on here, or how to do this stuff that you have to do in order to launch an Amazon product. So as we're scrolling down here, as you can see, SEO optimized product listings, like having keywords in your product listing or description to get conversions, and then have your product show up on the Amazon search algorithm. Optimize listings. Let's see. We also have FBA strategies, launching and ranking strategies. Let's see here. They also have PPC. So if you guys don't know, PPC is where it's the advertising platform for Amazon. You look at a listing and it says like sponsored under there once you search it up. And those are the different types of outsourcers that are on here, and they're going to be able to help you guys with these things. And really, I feel like it's going to accelerate the process. So instead of you going to try and search for an Amazon product yourself, and putting in the wrong parameters, or simply just not knowing what to do when you're doing your product research, and you wind up launching a bad product, or a too competitive product, or a product with no demand, this will definitely eliminate that learning curve. And also, you can use sites like Fiverr as well, and it's basically the same thing. You just gotta look at the reviews and stuff. But like I said, this is specifically for Amazon sellers, so you can definitely check this out as well. So as you can see here, like, we don't have to go through all this, but I just wanted to create a good overview. So as you can see, they'll do video animation, your pictures and stuff. Like, pictures is such essential on Amazon. Like, even if you jump into a market where everyone has crappy pictures, I highly suggest, like, you need to get really, really good pictures. Like, if you know that you don't really have a good camera, or you don't have any type of really good lighting, or you don't have any good props or models like that, dude, literally just pay somebody to do that for you. It's not that expensive. Like, literally for my pictures, I paid anywhere from $100 to $150. Like, it's not that much money. And that's going to make you, and it's just a one-time fee. Like, you pay that and it's done for that product, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's going to save you a lot more time, stress, and the headache. So just make sure that you guys are considering all these things. So yep, that's Jungle Market. And lastly, we are going to get into the last thing, and this is for people that that simply just do not. Let's see here. I'm gonna search up a product for you. So let's say, I don't know. Let's say jade rollers, right? So jade rollers, the most amazing product ever. They are so saturated right now. But let's go ahead and click on this listing right here. So this tool is going to be something that's going to save your guys' butts, because if you do not use it, you're really risking it, and you're having a lot. It's going to be a lot of guesswork. And there's also different websites you can use for this as well. But this is a tool right here. It's called Keepa. This tool it's very, very useful, because we need to know the sales history and the recent sales rank of products. And the reason we want that is because it'll tell us what type of products are seasonal, or what type of products are just simply those that are good, that'll sell well all year, or maybe this product only sells good during the the Christmas season, or Easter, or whatever it is, or the summer. And that's something that we want to keep in mind. So let's say you're trying to get into a product, you got to ask yourself, is this something that people would buy all year round? Is this something that provides multiple uses? Is this something that people will find everyday use for. You just got to think about that and also combine that type of mindset with this tool. So as you're looking here, you can tell that this product has been up for 299 days, and once we click on sales rank, I already clicked on it, you can see that it sells really good, and it's been selling good for the past 300 days. So and as you can see, it's very consistent. There's no like giant spikes in the sales rank here, because there's going to be some products out there that you're going to be looking at their sales rank and they're going to have spikes, like especially maybe during the I don't know, maybe during the summertime, or you just got to look for those. As long as the products are consistent like this, and the sales rank is pretty low like that. The lower the sales rank, 100 or 300 or 400 or 500 like that. When we say low, that means it's selling really good. When it's high, like in the 100,000 ranges and stuff, that's when the product is not doing that well. But as you can see, it's very consistent here. If it was like going up and down, up and down, up and down every single month, then that's how you know that'll tell you a good estimate of how this product really does. And then of course, don't just simply look at one product. Like literally go through I'd say at least 10 of them and look at their sales history. So maybe we clicked on that one. Let's go ahead and look at somebody that has more reviews. So I know this guy's been up here for a while. So you scroll down and look at the sales rank history. Now I'm not saying that this is a good product to get into, because it's not. These aren't the only things that you guys need to be looking at for your product research. You also need to be looking at how saturated markets are. Like this market right here is so saturated. There's so many sellers. I don't even know how people are still making money. It's mainly the people that have been up here for a very long time, but this one's been up for 621 days. And as you can see, there's spikes here, but it's not. You just have to pay attention to the spikes. So it goes from like 1,400 sales rank all the way up to 19,000. These are probably periods of when you see spikes like this or spikes like this is probably periods where they actually went out of stock. So when it stays consistent like that, so this is still pretty consistent as you can see. So it jumps from 1,300 to 2,200, which is that's not even a big deal. But when you see giant spikes like this, like it goes up all the way that way, that probably just means they went out of stock, like I said. So especially if right after that goes right back down like that again. So yeah, guys, you just gotta compare and contrast the different listings, and we can go ahead and look at another one just for good measure. Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and click on this guy. I believe this guy has fake reviews. I'm pretty sure he does. He's the type of guy. I think he's the one that actually can combine listings. So we don't want to do that. That will get your account destroyed. So yeah, this guy's only been up for 109 days and has 220 reviews. So as you can see, it's decently consistent. Like for this product, literally people will buy it all year long and stuff, but you just got to look and see how exactly products are doing. And look for the trends and how it's doing when it comes to sales, and how it does when it comes to not selling. So yeah, guys, that's all you guys need to really know for the top 3 tools people simply are not using in 2019 or just don't know about. And like I said, Jungle Market, having an account on Jungle Market and this Keepa tool right here, it's all free. You don't have to worry about it. You can just search it up. This is a free Chrome extension, Jungle Market. You just make an account and you'll be able to set it up for you. And for Keepa, yeah, just search up Keepa like that, and that's how you spell it. You'll be able to find it. And then of course this one, it's $10 a month, guys. Come on. So with all that being said, hopefully you guys got tons of value out of this video. I just wanted to show in depth these 3 different tools you guys probably didn't know about, or simply just getting started with Amazon. You just want to get a upper hand on other sellers out there. So yeah, make sure you guys like down below, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment and tell me what other videos you want to see next, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.